Hi, this is Sean.
And this is Linnea. Welcome back to our channel. On this channel, we're teaching easy English phrases for you to learn, so if you're interested in that, make sure to keep watching.
Right?
So what is today's phrase?
This one.
It is, how much longer will we have to wait? So what is that in Japanese?
あとどれぐらい時間がかかりますか?
So this is what you would say if you're waiting somewhere, let's say like a restaurant or something, and you want to know how much longer you have to wait until you can get seated at a table.
Okay. Actually, this phrase used often, isn't it?
Yeah, I use it sometimes.
Sometimes American for me and kind of slow. Yeah, in Japanese a little bit more precisely. They're gonna treat the people and customers. That's my opinion. I'm not sure.
Yeah.
Especially like a restaurant, of course. Sometimes you have to even like a slow. Sometimes don't say anything. You don't get anything. You have to. You have to ask them.
Yeah.
Or doctor. All the time. Sometimes I'm gonna wait like a couple of hours.
Oh yeah?
Yes.
I never had to wait a couple of hours.
Yeah, even like especially like a dentist. I don't know what's going on there. It's overbooking or just they're intentionally.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah.
I never had that experience.
Oh really?
No.
For men, just for men, they don't care at all. And to our waiting, I'm gonna ask them a couple of times, and finally the doctor came up. Actually, their face is very good. The smile, maybe they have to make the good one, otherwise they cannot do it this time. It's a very good smile, so I don't have to complain anything.
Yeah.
Yes, that's
that makes sense.
Yes. And you've never had the experience? So waiting a long time?
I've had to wait at restaurants, but not in doctors much.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How about restaurant? No?
Yeah, sometimes you have to wait at a restaurant. Sometimes they tell you have to wait a certain amount of time, but it might be longer.
Even like a restaurant waiting, if you want to catch them, it sounds like very hard. Even even I raise the hand. Obviously they're watching me, but they don't say anything sometimes.
Yeah.
Yes, it's very hard. And
Yeah.
sometimes I recommend maybe just go to them, just face to face. Excuse me, they never can
Yeah,
leave.
that's true, I guess.
Yes, that's the best way.
Yeah.
Even we're waiting sometime, like a bus. Of course, we cannot say anything to the bus. But sometimes waiting a bus in New York City. But recently, actually, they have some timetable, right? Timetable at the bus stop.
Yeah, that's true.
Yes, I can see what time they're coming, but sometimes not coming at all. And finally come and 2 or 3 of bus together.
Yeah, they're not really scheduled well.
Yeah, that's so annoying. But anyway, remember that time when we went to the one time spa, New Jersey. We waited actually 2 hours.
Yeah, that was a long wait. I never had to
long
do that
time.
for a bus.
Yeah. And actually New Jersey, so at night, so it have to be like once for 1 hour.
Yeah.
So maybe the one bus is to come, so you have to just wait about 2 hours. That's
Yeah,
horrible.
exactly.
Yeah. In that case, where we cannot complain about, maybe we should call to the company.
I don't think they care at all,
Yeah?
honestly, yeah. It's New Jersey Transit, I don't think they care.
Okay.
Yeah.
So anyway, so I'm not sure. So is there another way to take it? But it depends the place. But if the New Jersey, most of the transportation is only bus.
Yeah, pretty much.
Even Uber, like a Lyft.
It would be kind of expensive. Yeah.
Actually, by the way, I didn't know that now we are in the coronavirus situation. You knew that the bus was free everywhere.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
I didn't know that either.
But even subway and of course as usual $2.75 and the bus is free. Yeah, so if you are in here in New York now, remember bus is free. I didn't know that. Maybe we should take more.
That's good.
Yeah.
It's still free?
Yeah.
I don't think it is anymore.
Actually, my friend said, no. She said actually free.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Usually it's not free though.
Yeah, of course. Yeah. Only this time, I'm not sure. We have to make sure. She always go to the office, but she gonna take the bus. It's a free all the time.
Yeah.
Yeah. But she's scared, so she bought the bicycle.
Oh, okay.
Yes. So now she gonna take a bicycle from Brooklyn. Today was the first day for her, and she came to my place, just dropped by, and very pain the leg the first day.
Yeah.
And she had to travel from Brooklyn to Manhattan and had to take the bridge.
Yeah.
Sometimes bridge is a very
That's
high
hard.
slope. Yes. And I checked the bicycle, there's no air at all. The tire, of course, it's much more tough.
Yeah, that's true.
Yes. And maybe we talked about before. Remember the ice cream place too?
Ice cream?
We just get like to save $5. We had to wait like 1 hour.
Yeah, there was like a deal or something, so there were a lot of people waiting.
Yes. We are very patient one. Patient
Yeah.
guys. Just 1 hour waiting, and the taste was so. Maybe you liked it, right? I felt it so. And usually order ice cream. What's the name of the ice cream shop?
I don't remember what it's called.
Whatever.
Yeah.
Something crepe, like a crepe.
Yeah, it was like that.
And I got some like ice cream with some snack on it. Usually maybe cost 10, no?
Yeah, something like that. Yeah.
In New York, there is a ice cream day, like once for a year. What's the ice cream day? You know about?
No, I don't know.
Anyway, 1 day for a year ice cream day. So lots of ice cream shop give a discount. Half
okay.
price, Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I didn't know about that.
Did you?
Nope.
You didn't know the ice cream day?
No, I didn't.
You're ice cream king. You have to know.
Yeah, I never heard of it. But I guess it exists, yeah.
The time we went to ice cream day, that's why.
That
it's
was?
what they
Oh,
have.
okay. I guess I forgot then.
Yeah, but anyway, usually even order $10 and it was a half, so $5. So we just wait for 1 hour for $5. Very good guy.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay, anyway, we're gonna review.
Yep, let's review it.
Yep.
Okay, so I'll say it slower first and then we'll get a little bit faster each time. How much longer will we have to wait? Okay, so a little bit faster now. How much longer will we have to wait? Okay, one more time at normal speed. How much longer will we have to wait? Okay, and that's it. How did you do?
Yeah, so nice.
So thank you for watching. We really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to leave us a like, and if you have any suggestions for one of our next videos, feel free to leave that in the comments below. And if you're interested in seeing more videos like this, feel free to subscribe to our channel.
Good, それではまたお会いしましょう。
Thank you. See you next time. Bye.